Hi folks, welcome to Digit. Today we'll be looking at unboxing the Zebronics Zeb-Duke over-ear headphones. The device comes with support for Bluetooth 5.0 as well as aux cable connectivity if you wish to use it as a wired headset instead of a wireless one. It comes in 3 different colors: blue, green and black. With an LED light on the side as seen in this illustration over here. The device itself has a wireless range of up to 10 meters without obstacles, as well as a battery life that allows it to be charged fully in 2 hours and a playback time and talk time of up to 30 hours. In the box, you have the wireless headset itself. Apart from that, you also have the user manual that details all the instructions on how to set it up, the functionalities, and everything else that you need to know. You also get as accessories, you get a micro USB charging cable for charging your wireless headset, as well as a 3.5 mm audio cable if you wish to use your wireless headset as a wired headset instead. On the device itself, as you can see, has this comfortable padded headband for maximum support, adjustable on both sides as per your requirements. On the device at the back, you have over here your standard power button, your volume plus and minus, your input for your aux cable over here, your micro USB charging port, your microphone slot, as well as an LED light. And there you have it. That is the Zebronics Zeb-Duke wireless Bluetooth headphone with mic. Thank you so much for watching.